To fix a Craftsman lawnmower that won't start, you'll need to address one of three common issues: a weak battery connection, a clogged air filter, or a damaged spark plug. Start by checking the battery connections, ensuring they are tight and free of corrosion. If the terminals are corroded, clean them using a mixture of baking soda and water. Once cleaned, recharge or replace the battery before attempting to start the lawnmower. Next, inspect and clean or replace the air filter, which can be found in the filter box. If reusable, clean the filter with soapy water. Rinse it with clean water, and let it air dry. If the filter is too dirty, consider replacing it. After cleaning or replacing the filter, reattach the filter box and try starting the lawnmower. Finally, locate the spark plugs, often found on the front of the mower, and inspect them for wear, dirt, or damage. Use brake cleaner to remove any dirt or buildup, and if damaged, replace the spark plugs. By addressing these potential issues, you should be able to fix your Craftsman lawnmower and get it running again.